This is the first time that this 57 Chevy truck has been rolled on the power of its own engine in over 30 years. Jack has been tinkering with this on and off for the last 12 months. It showed up here and he just started kind of sanding the frame and chiseling away at the rust and the old layers of paint. This is a Hess delivery truck. So Dad's messing around with it right now. He said the clutch was sticking a little bit, but...
Yes! Yes! My truck runs! It moves!
Let's see that reaction.
That's my truck!
That's my truck I don't know how to drive. That guy. He wants to restore this truck. Or at least kind of patch it up so that they can use this truck around the farm hauling hay bales or firewood. So we're figuring out if we're going to put like a flat rack on the back for him or what, but it's his project. His brother helps him. His dad fiddles around under the hood for him. It's got brakes?
Yeah.
I was just wondering that.
That was the emergency brake. It doesn't have any fluid in the master cylinder right now.
Okay.
So the brake pedal doesn't work.
Well, this is a fun thing for the boys. George is so excited. He says it's actually running. The boys pitched in each $50 a piece to buy this truck from their grandpa for a total of $150. They probably have about $40 worth of this and that little things into it.
Yes. Yes.
$200 worth of truck, not bad. Look at go!
So if you're interested in this truck restoration, go over to Jack the Rail Fan. He's been documenting this for the last few months of ripping out the seat, showing the interior and different things and the story, the backstory of all of it. So you can see more of it over there. The boys and their dad had such a great time getting their 57 Chevy going that Dad decided to come out here. This was his grandpa's truck for hauling fuel, and it's the exact same truck. So they're gonna restore this one too. So we're gonna be seeing about getting some parts and getting it going. This was a Leonard fuel truck that his grandpa drove and delivered fuel with, and this tank was not originally on it, but my husband tends to find tanks to match with trucks that he has, and it was, you know, the same manufacturer and same dimensions to be able to fit this frame. So he bought it, but it was a chloride tank and it's not restorable, so rusted through. This is going to be the next project. So today he's taking this all off. I think we're going to go see about some U-bolts and of course all the basic things that we've had to get into the other truck. So I'll share with you on this truck more. Jack's done the 57 for his own channel over there, but same situation. Sat, parked for years. I think they said the last time this ran was about 1972, so about a 50-year challenge for an old start and cold start. He did a little job on his wheels yesterday. He had these tires and wheels in storage, so the originals are off. For why?
Huh?
Why are the originals off?
the tires were so bad they wouldn't hold air.
Oh.
So for now, just to use it around the farm, these were off a 67 International fuel truck, and I saved them. The wheels were replaced. They're dated, the Firestone wheels dated 1976, so they're in really nice shape. And they're matching Firestone tires on Firestone rims. So for now, we'll just use it with these, and then the originals off the truck, the fronts, we'll just put away. And maybe when we can find some, these are 8 1/4, when we find some really nice ones, maybe off an old fire truck or something, with no miles, we'll get them and put them on the right rims and put those back on. But these, of course, were gray, so we just painted them a red, whatever, just some red, because the truck, the top of the truck is red.
Yeah.
So
it's going to rain today, so we've got it covered up. And
the wheels were red, the front bumper was red, top of the cab was red, so we wanted to put it back right.
Okay.
You gotta have it right to haul hay, you know.
It's got to be all good sheet metal and all original, you know, everything. But look at this. Isn't this neat? This is priceless right here. Love the door thing. So he cleaned them all up with a wire wheel, and we put a coat of that Rust-Oleum Professional Red on it that was left over from the fuel tank job that I did a few weeks ago. So we didn't have anything put into doing that. I don't know if we'll do anything about those backs. You know how I am about painting things. But this is what's going on today. The boys been out test driving their Chevy project. Dad gave Jack a little driving lesson. George's head is bobbing all over the place. They're having a good time. I think they've been driving that truck for probably an hour total so far today. So the idea is that this truck is going to be a farm truck. They want to be able to maybe do a flatbed on it or do a hay rack. His dad said with the other 57 that was his old fuel truck right here, that this one will probably get the hay rack, and then they'll do a flatbed on this for just general truck purposes. But Jack is so in love with that truck and so ecstatic. If you saw his reaction earlier, just absolutely loving it. He got those lights working. He's showing ya. Jack went through the whole thing and replaced a bunch of wiring because it was all mouse chewed up, as these old trucks are, as they said.